What did the court say today, and what is the implication of this verdict? Let's quickly cut across and listen in to the counsel for the 84 riots victim, H.S. Fulka.
Rejected the clean chit given by the CBI to Jagdish Tytler and has directed the CBI to carry out the further investigation and has given the direction that all those victims who had approached you that they are also the witnesses to the incident, their statement should be recorded and the CBI should carry out the further investigation in the matter.
Please tell us, firstly, what exactly does the court order say? Because CBI, which has already filed a closure report against Mr. Tytler, what fate do we have that the same agency will now inquire into this incident and actually bring out some merit into it?
You see, two things. Now, first of all, today the Judicial Session Judge Radha Sukla has rejected the clean chit and directed the CBI to carry out the further investigation. That obviously means that the CBI has not done its job properly, number one. When twice the court has done it and dictated the CBI, and I believe and hope that CBI will learn its lessons now. Now, number two, this government is always harping about Gujarat and Gujarat. I mean, it is true that the guilty of the Gujarat should also be punished, but what about those 84? As if those killed in 1984 were not even the human beings. Now the government should also realize that they should stop putting pressure on the investigating agencies to protect their own leaders. They should rather ensure that these guilty are punished. In this very case, the joint director of the CBI had given an opinion that the charge sheet should be filed and Tytler should be prosecuted for the murder. But unfortunately, the director of the CBI overruled that, obviously under the political pressure. The government should realize it now that they need to do something for 84 also.
What happens to the three witnesses, sir, who are now abroad? I mean, how will the investigation proceed vis-a-vis them so that their testimonies can be incorporated?
The CBI can record their statement by video conferencing also. Last time the CBI team went to New York, to America. They were available there, but CBI didn't record their statements. Now the statements can be recorded by through video conferencing.
My last question to you, sir, what happens for this case from now on? Will you be demanding for some special mechanism to be set up? Because an agency which has twice been indicted by the court, as you rightly pointed out, cannot be perhaps expected to fairly report.
We cannot demand that an investigation should be done by the FBI of America. After all, we have to do it what we have. But the only thing I hope and I believe that they will learn their lessons, and I hope and I believe that this government will learn their lessons. And now they should realize that it is not only the pressure from the courts, but it is the public pressure also. The public also want these guilty to be punished.
And so finally, did the court give any time frame to the CBI in which they have to give it? Because it's been 28 years.
Not yet. The time frame is not given.
So what do we expect from the court's written order, sir? Anything that the court's written order will still clarify?
The complete order will come, then we know, but as far as the order part is, as far as I know, the time frame is not given, but we expect that the CBI should act fast and should do it at the earliest.
And so if I could just ask one more question, with Mr. Sajjan Kumar, we believe that his verdict has been reserved for the end of this month. If you could spare a few words on that.
Yes, and Sajjan Kumar's case, the court has reserved the judgment. Now on 16th is the date when the court will finally announce the date on which the judgment will be pronounced. We are expecting by the end of April the Sajjan Kumar judgment should also come. And we are quite hopeful that in Sajjan Kumar also we will achieve the conviction, and it will be the landmark. Will show that the system and the legal system of this country has succeeded. These politicians who are trying to subvert the system and show that they are above the law, they have failed.